Welcome to Lingua Latina Tutorials with Mr. K. This is chapter 41, lesson 4, exercises. Here we have our vocabulary exercise for this section. So Amulius, blank, which is the same as frater patris, rei Silviae fuit. So Amulius was the uncle of Rhea Silvia, and we learned the term for uncle, which is patrus. Illo regnante Silvia gemenos filios partu blank, which means peperit. So with that guy reigning, meaning Amulius on the throne, Silvia had given birth to twin sons. And another word for gave birth, pep from parere, meaning the same as parera, is aided it. Aidera, which the perfect of aidera is aididi, so aided it. By the command of the king, the slaves exposed the boys, the twins. It's a sad job, or a sad work. Opus, and from lacrima, we know that lacrimosus aum. Opus is neuter, so lacrimosum. Okay, try the rest of those. Let's go on to exercise 11. Okay, exercitium undecimum is practiced with the accusative and infinitive construction. On the right-hand side, we have the nominative plus indicative construction. So, for example, veteres Romani crudeles fuerunt, and that is the ancient Romans, veteres Romani, were cruel. Okay, and then here we have the accusative infinitive construction of the same thing. It is known that, and so here we have infinitive construction, that the ancient Romans were cruel. So you want the subject here, the ancient Romans, in the accusative, veteres Romanos, and then we also want crudeles to be in the accusative plural after the verb were, and that is crudeles. And then our infinitive here for sum, we want fuisse. It is known that the ancient Romans were cruel. Let's do one more of these. This here we see that Roma urbs aeterna est. Rome is the eternal city. And here we have the ignis vestae, the fire of Vesta, shows that Rome is an eternal city. And so here we want Rome in the accusative, Romam. I want urbem in the accusative, aeternam. And then esse. So the fire of Vesta shows that Rome is. So this is our infinitive accusative construction. Okay, finish the rest of those, and let's go on to exercise 12. Okay, exercitium duodecimum, we have our question and answer. So, cur gemelli rei Silviae caelestia semina appellantur? Why are the twins of Rhea Silvia called heavenly offspring? Literally heavenly seeds. And well, the reason is appellantur caelestia semina quia pater suis erat Deus Mars, because the father to them was the god Mars. Romulus et Remus ita appellantur are called thus quia Martis filiis eram, because they are the sons, or they were the sons, Martis, of Mars. Again, so you give a different answer that'll be correct for these questions, but then afterward cover it up and try to give the answer that Orberg did with the same grammatical construction. Let's do one more. Quid servi regis Amulii facere iusi sunt? What were the servants of King Amulius commanded to do? Iusi sunt necari gemelos. They were commanded to kill the twins. And servi regis, they were commanded to carry the twins away and to drown them in the river. Same rule applies. Now try to give this form the accusative infinitive construction answer. Buona fortuna.